up, beauties and handsomes? It's another week. I know it's not Monday. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. Procrastination got the best of me, okay? But I know it's been a minute since we had a workout, so this week I'm bringing you that heat, okay? 10 minutes of upbeat at work. Let me know what you think about the beat in the comment section below, because y'all know I love a good trap beat, but that doesn't necessarily mean that that's what y'all want to hear. So, you know, let me know. Are you gonna need it yourself? Just clear out some space, get ready to work, get ready to sweat, and we're gonna get to it. Let's go. Alright, y'all hear it? Alright, so we are starting with the staircase hand walk. So, you're walking out into a plank, jumping in 3 times, getting closer to the hands as you jump, jumping it back out, walking it back up to standing. Modification, you already know I got you. You're gonna walk it out into a plank, come down to those knees, tapping 1 foot back at a time, coming back up into plank position, and walking it back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the timer started. It's 40 seconds. Get ready. All right, time has started. Jumping it in, jumping it out, walking it back, standing it up. Hey, walking it down, jumping it in, jumping it out, walking it back, standing it up, going back down, coming to a plank, jumping it in, jumping it out, walking it back, standing up. We can at least come down into plank. All right, 20 seconds. Next up, we got power knees. So we're just gonna do one side in this round. We'll do the other side in the next round. So you're basically twisting your upper body towards the front and bringing the opposite knee up. Twisting and lifting. All right, right side. Here we go. Starting now. Let's go. Up. Get it up. Twisting. Really twisting that body. Getting that knee up. Hey. Woo. Halfway through. You're doing great. Your heart rate is up. Good. Mine is too. Keep it going. Woo. Woo. 5 more seconds. You got it. Keep twisting. All right, 20 seconds. Next, we got knee to heel crunch. All right. So you're taking that elbow to the opposite knee and then elbow to the opposite heel. Of course, you're not literally there, but that's the direction your body is going in. 5 more seconds. Here we go. And you can slow it down whenever you need to. You don't have to go this speed. That's up to you. When you want to add that challenge. Woo! Good job. Knee, heel, knee, heel, knee, heel. Come on. We're almost there. Woo! 10 more seconds. Good job. 5 more seconds. Come on. Push with me. 20 seconds. All right, next we got football stance jumps. So you're basically jumping down into a squat, jumping back to standing. Doing the same thing, bringing out the opposite hand. If you want to step it out, you're just taking it side to side. All right, timer started. Here we go. Squatting as low as you can. Really reaching down with that hand. You got it. Woo! Halfway through. Good job. 10 more seconds. If you see me looking back, it's because the timer is back there. I'm gonna have to move it up here. All right. Oblique crunches is last. Give me just a second. All right. So you're basically just bringing that elbow out and bringing the elbow down to meet the knee. All right. Here we go. Remember, you can take it here if you need to. I think I'm gonna take it here for a little while. Woo! This will work. I'm kinda tired. All right. Get it up. Get it up. Come on. Woo! Woo! You got it. Keep going. 10 more seconds. 5 more seconds. We got it. 20 seconds. And we're starting over with the hand walk. Y'all look at me all twisted up. Hey, what's going on? What's really going on? All right. Staircase hand walks. Remember, doing whichever way you would like. Woo! We're almost there. Why do my pants want to roll up? Down. They ain't been rolling up this whole time. Or rolling down, rather. We can get in one more. All right, next up, those power knees. This time, your right side. Grab some water if you need it. Me, I need it. Sorry I smell like that in y'all ear. That be getting on my nerves. All right, here we go. And get on my nerves, and I'm doing it to y'all. Woo! Twisting. Twisting, really twisting that body, really getting those knees up. All right, woo! Halfway through, there I go again. Really get it up. We're almost through. This is your last time doing these power knees. You got it. 20 seconds. Knee to heel crunches is next. Deep inhale, come on, come on. All right, we got this, y'all. 3 more exercises. Here we go, knee to heel crunch. Fast or slow as you wanna go. Hey, fast. Knee, heel, come on, get it up, woo, come on, really using that core to lift that leg, all right, we're more than halfway through, you can do it, we got this, 10 more seconds, woo, 20 seconds. Football stance jumps. Another deep inhale, come on. Exhale. We almost there, y'all. We are killing it right now. Woo! All right, here we go. Squat down as low as you can. Really reaching that hand down to the ground. Really hitting a jump in the middle. Finding little things to do to make it just a little bit more challenging for yourself. We're more than halfway through. You got it. Woo! 5 more seconds. 20 seconds. Last move. Oblique crunches. Big inhale, let's go. Big exhale. A few more seconds. Oblique crunches. As fast or as slow as you want to go. I didn't want to take a longer break, but y'all, I'm tired. All right, last 20 seconds. Let's knock it out. Knock it out. Come on, get it up. Get it up. Let's go. Almost there. You got it. Up. Up. Core tight. You got it. Woo. Woo. We're done, y'all. Look here, listen. Did I not tell you I was bringing that heat? Did I not tell you that? Seriously though, you made it to the end. Round of applause. Because that right there got me out of breath, okay? So I know if you're at home and you're sweating like me, you killed it too. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about this beat, what kind of workouts you want to see in the future. Subscribe if you haven't already, because let me see if I can do it. I'm a little tired. Hold on. Subscribe if you haven't already, because you know my channel be popping. That part.